Hello everyone, welcome to VG tutorial. Today we are going to do chapter 4 practical geometry exercise 4.5. First question, construct the square READ with RE 5.1 centimeter. We already discussed how to do the construction. First what we want to do, we should do a rough figure. I already draw a rough figure. So now we will name that figure. What is the name? READ. I will start from here. So I will name it READ. Then what they are given? They are telling RE is 5.1 centimeter. Only one measurement they have given. That is that RE. RE is 5.1 centimeter. So what we are going to construct a square. We know all about the properties of the square. What is the properties of the square? All sides are equal. Then all the angles are also 90 degree. Okay, so all sides are equal. They are given RE is 5.1 centimeter. Then EA is also 5.1 centimeter. Then RD is also 5.1 centimeter. Then DA also 5.1 centimeter. Okay. Then next property, all angles are 90 degree. Look at here. So angle R also 90 degree. Angle E also 90 degree. Angle A also. Angle D also 90 degree. Now we know about all the sides and all the angles. Now we can construct it easily. Okay, first what we have to do, we should draw base. What is our base? We know all the sides. So now we can start from RE. RE is 5.1 centimeter. So we will start drawing 5.1 centimeter. Okay, just zoom it. I think all of you can see this one from pointing at a 0. Then 5.1 means where? This is 5 is here. Can you see? This one 5. 5 is here. Very next small line, first line, that is 1. So we can, after the 5, the first small line is 5.1 centimeter. We just point out. Now we can join that dots. So then we will name it. It is RE 5.1 centimeter. Now what we should do? Look at the rough figure. This angle R also 90 degree, angle E also 90 degree. So we will construct angle R 90 degree. We already did it in the last section also 90 degree how to construct. You can take a small radius for your easiness. I'm taking 2 or 2.5. Okay, 2 or 2.5 you take it. Small radius you can take it. That is for easy drawing. Okay, so actually it is not a proper measurement, but for the easiness we are taking like that. Okay, then pointing at where? Pointing at R. Pointing at the R, we will draw a semicircle. Okay, semicircle. Now where the RE is cut, this semicircle here, this point we can name it O. Okay, clear. This one is O. Then pointing at O without changing the radius of the compass, same radius you have to take it. Same radius. Then pointing at O. Pointing at the O, you have to make one arc. That is how much degree? That is 60 degree. So we can name it M. Okay. Then without changing the radius of the compass, pointing at the M, we will make one more arc. That is how much degree? That is 120 degree. We can name it N. Then again, the radius is not changing. Without changing, we should pointing at M. We will make one arc over here. Then pointing at N also, you can make another arc. Now we got an intersecting point here. That will be our 90 degree. We can check it. Is it 90 degree or what? Yes. Can you see this one? Can you see this one? This is the cut. So this is the 90 degree. We can point here 90 degree. Now we can join this 90 degree. Now join. Now look at the rough figure. What they are telling. This point, in this R, we find a 90 degree. So this, in this line, there is somewhere else is a D. So look at here, somewhere else is D. But how much distance from R is D? That is 5.1 centimeter. So we will take 5.1 centimeter in the compass radius, 5.1 centimeter. Here already we see that how to take a 5.1 centimeter. Then they will take it. Then pointing at the R, we can mark an arc. Okay. This is the place where, what is that? That D, this one. This D, we find it. So we can mark it here, D. Okay, clear? Now again, what we have to do? Look at the rough figure. This one. Angle E, we should construct angle E 90 degree. Okay, now again we have to take a small radius. Then pointing at E, make one semicircle. Okay, now this here. This is the point RE is cut. So pointing at that point, this semicircle where RE is cut, that point you should point at the compass, then make one arc. This is what? This is 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree. So I can name it A. Okay, then pointing at the A, we can make another arc that is 120 degree. Then that is B. So without changing the radius of the compass, again we should pointing at A. We have to make a arc over here. Then pointing at the B also, we have to make another arc. Now we got an intersecting point here. This is the point in 90 degree. We can check it. Is it 90 degree or what? Yes. Look at here. Look at here. Exactly. It is 90 degree. Okay. Now we can mark it here and join. From the E through this point we can mark join. Okay, clear? Now look at the rough figure. What they are telling. The rough figure we can see that EA is how much? 5.1 centimeter. Okay, so we will again take a 5.1 centimeter in the compass radius. 5.1. After the 5, there is a small line. First small line. That is 5.1. So mark it properly. Then pointing at E, we can mark a arc here. Now we got this is what? That is A. Okay. This point is A. Now we can name it. This is how much centimeter? That is 5.1 centimeter. Here is 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. This is also RD also 5.1 centimeter. Now we find RE. Here D and A also we got it. So we can join this D and A. Where is the arc? That arc should be joined. This point. This should be exactly 5.1 centimeter. Okay, clear? Now we can check it here. Yes, it is 5.1 centimeter. Okay. I think all of you clear with this construction. Square READ. Now we can here also we can name it 5.1 centimeter. Okay. Now we will do next question. Question number 2 of the same 4.5. Now we can read it. Construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter long. Now already I draw a rough figure. Okay, now what they are telling? A rhombus whose, rhombus means what? Same like a square. All sides are equal only. Okay, a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. Look at here. How many diagonals I draw here? I drew only one diagonal. So I will draw another diagonal here. And we will name that one also. Here. Diagonal means opposite vertex should be joined together. So then we can name it. What is that? Here, a rhombus. Whatever name we can name it, that one we can do the name. Okay, so I will write here A, B, C, D. Here, I am starting from here. A, B, C, D. Then, whose diagonal? Here is 5.2 centimeter. So, I will take this one AC as 5.2 centimeter and BD as 6.4 centimeter. Clear? This one I will take 6.4 centimeter and this one is 5.2 centimeter. What are the properties of a rhombus? All sides are equal, then diagonals are perpendicular, bisected to each other. So first of all, what we have to do? We should take a base diagonal. This one we can take it. Either of them we can take it, but this one now we can take it AC. Okay, small radius. First we will draw 5.2 centimeter radius. So this one 5.2 means we have to take from the 0, then 5. After that we have to choose two small line. That is 5.2. Okay, clear? 5.2 is after the 5. Take it 2. There is after the 5. There is first small line. Then choose second small line. That is 5.2. Okay, clear? Now we can name it. What is 5.2? AC. We will take as AC 5.2 centimeter. I already said that these diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So we will make a perpendicular bisector. How to construct a perpendicular bisector? We have to take more than half of this AC. More than half means we can pointing at A and this is completely. So we will take more than half means more than half of this AC. Okay. So then pointing at A, we will mark an arc up and down. Okay. Then without changing the compass, again pointing at C, we will make another arc up and down. Now we got an intersecting point. Now we can join these 2 points. Okay. This is the bisector of AC. Okay. So this is a bisector of AC. Bisect means this one equally divided. AC also equally divided. Now here, this diagonal. And the diagonal is what? Here, this BD also equally divided. AC is equally divided with this point. Then now we can find this BD. BD means how much centimeter? That is 6.4 centimeter. This point is divided equally this 6.4 centimeter. One up and one down. So we should divide with 2. How much? 6.4 divided by 2. We have to find 2 3s are 6, then point is here, then down this 4, carry forward this one 2, 2 2s are 4. How much? This point, this suppose this is O, so OD is how much centimeter? That is 3.2 and OB also 3.2. Okay, clear? Now we will pointing at this O. This is the point, that is O. So we will take how much centimeter? That is 3.2 centimeter. The compass radius. 3.2 is after the 3 you have to choose 2 small lines. After the 3, first you have to choose small 2 lines. That is 3.2. Okay. Then pointing at here, I will write here, pointing at O, make an arc up and down. Now we find the point where what? Now we find what is arc we find here? This. We got the D and B. Where is D? This arc is D. Okay, this arc is D. Then down also we find one arc. Can you see that one? Down also we find another one arc. That is B. Now this one. This is a point. So now we can easily join AB, AD, DC and BC. Now we can easily join. Here pointing at O. Then find this one. This is arc we cut with 3.2 centimeter. This is a 3.2 centimeter arc. We have to take that one. That one we should join. Not this one. Intersecting arc. There is only single arc we drawn. That one we have to join with. Now here also we find one arc 3.2. That one we will join. Then here also we can join it. Now then BC also we can find it. Now we got rhombus. Now we can name this one 6.4 centimeter. Here is 6.4 centimeter. That is BD is 6.4 centimeter. AC is 5.2 centimeter. From here to here, that O to D is 3.2. O to B is what? 3.2 centimeter. Clear? Only one thing you have to understand for constructing rhombus, you should make a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector construction taking more than half of the base, that is AC. Okay, so I think all of you clear with this construction. Now we did it for exercise 4.5, question number 1 and 2 we did it. I think all of you clear. Now we can wind up the session. See you in the next session. If you like the video, you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.